Hi everybody, now I would like to explain you about the proverb look before you leap. Generally we use proverbs in order to express a general truth or saying. Proverb is nothing but a short sentence. In this session we are going to know the meaning behind the proverb look before you leap. Look before you leap. This is the proverb that we are learning in this session. Generally, we do some tasks in a hurry. While doing any particular thing, we have to think properly. If you do any particular thing which has to be done by us in a hurry, we will have to face either failure or success. When you get failure, you will get disappointment. When you get success, you will be very happy. So, while doing any task which is related in order to get the benefits, you should think properly. While doing any work, we need to observe the pros and cons behind that work. Pros and cons are nothing but advantages and disadvantages. Whether it is right or wrong should be decided by us. Once we have taken any decision, that should be depended on your way of thinking. If I do this work, what will happen? If you think properly, if you have given proper thoughts to your mind, definitely you will be benefited. So, you should avoid the thoughts which are created negatively in you at the earliest. Otherwise, you will have to face the problem of failure. After facing the problem of failure without thinking properly while doing a particular thing, disappointment will be created in you. So, we need to think properly before doing any work by knowing the pros and cons such as advantages and disadvantages related to the work which is done by us. Then definitely we will be benefited with the work which is being done by you. In my next session I shall meet you with some other new topic. Till then, thank you very much.